than alright. We're better than alright. Walking between the raindrops, right in the aftershock beside you.